Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Recently I started training for a triathlon with Team in Training for the Leukemia Lymphoma Society. Now I've done a lot of cycle events with Team in Training before, but that's outside and I don't really need to go inside or work out at a gym. But for a triathlon, my big issue is I need to learn how to swim better. So even in California, you can't really swim outside in the winter. So I found myself a nice pool, an indoor training pool that I could go to. And I joined it. And the first time I went there, I had all my stuff with me. And I went to the back into the locker room, and there's a lot of lockers, but they don't have locks. So I thought, well, this isn't going to work. So I better go and find myself a lock. Now, my first thought was I'll just go get one of those really simple combination locks with the numbers on it like we all had in high school. But, the problem with those is I always forget the combination and, and plus it's really boring. So I wanted to find something using smart technology. So I looked around on Amazon, I did a little bit of searching and Googling and saw a couple YouTube videos, and I decided to try the Klic Lock. Now this Klic Lock, I found it on Amazon. It runs about just under $12 and it uses Bluetooth technology and it unlocks itself with an app on your phone. So let's check it out. Now I pull it out here, and it's a pretty simple package. It comes with it's in a little package here. It comes with a lock. Now the lock looks pretty good. It's nice and sturdy. It feels really solid, like a really high quality lock, and it's got a QR code on the back. I'm sure that's going to come in handy when I go to set it up. It also comes with a USB charging cable. Now the directions on the box say that it'll last for up to 6 months with a charge, and it does come with a little bit of charge right out of the box so you can get it set up, but after I do that I'm going to need to charge it up so I can get that 6 months of charging time. And the package here also has, looks like there's another QR code inside here, and there's a little set of directions with the Klic Lock app and the user guide. So I've already downloaded the app. Now the Klic Lock is made by a company called Zumi. It's Tzumi. So I went ahead and before we started doing this video, I downloaded the app onto my iPhone. They also have an Android version, of course. And you do need to sign up for an account and go through their process to register yourself to have an app. But now that I've done that, I've got the app right here and it's all ready to add my lock. So let's go ahead and do that. So I click on the add lock. It gives me 3 methods. I can use a QR code, a Bluetooth, or the ID number that's right here on the lock. So I'll go ahead and use the QR code. So let's do that. And it brings up a nice little window and scan it. That was really fast. Now I just need to name my lock. And this name of your lock, it needs to be under 8 bits. So I'm using my name, Valerie, and 7 letters, so that'll work. Let's confirm that. And that was really easy. The bind was successful, and now I've got my lock here, and it's under Valerie with some numbers under it. So let's check to make sure it works. So I've got the lock here, and you can see on the app that it's very simple. There's a little lock here and a picture of the Bluetooth, and all I need to do is to click the unlock button to see if it works. Now the important thing is that you need to make sure your lock is actually sending a Bluetooth signal before you try to unlock it. There's a little red button down here. I'll just push that, and then you can see that the Bluetooth light is flashing right there. So that means that you can see the lock from your app. So I'll do that. I'll push unlock. And there it goes. It's unlocked. So that was really easy. Now the really nice thing about the Klic Lock is one of the things I thought about is that, well, having a Bluetooth lock is great, but what if your phone's dead or the battery's dead? What are you going to do then? The nice thing is that they've added a kind of a backup method here where you can put in a 4-digit code that you can customize for your individual lock. And I recommend you do that if you buy one because the standard combination is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can use that as a backup. The other neat feature is that I can also share this lock. So I can share with my husband or my other friends that might want to borrow my lock if they're at the gym, and they can use their phone to unlock it, and that would also be a good backup method for me in case I lost my phone or I left it in the car or I left it in my locker. Now if you're interested in checking it out, we'll include the link to buy it on Amazon right here in the comments so you can find it easily. If you like this video and you're interested in smart home technologies, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on atmyhome.com to find more stories about technology. Thank you very much.